A one-of-one $4 million Bugatti Chiron Super Sport.
I've always loved cars. Family really loves cars. I was able to buy my grandpa his dream car a few years back, so that was really special. I talk about a lot of that stuff here on the channel. Mostly talk about business and stuff because that's kind of what I do on a day-to-day basis, but I just try to document it. Been able to grow the channel pretty well. It's been super fun, and I'm gonna do something really cool in this video, a fun giveaway here, so pay attention. For somebody who likes, subscribes, and leaves a comment down below, I'm gonna fly one person out to Arizona. You can drive the 3RS, drive the R8, we'll go have fun. You just need to be over 18 with a valid driver's license, and there's only one rule, just don't crash the car. Other than that, we're gonna go have a ton of fun. So leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. You'll be automatically entered, and I'll pick someone and announce them over on my Instagram here shortly.
I got my two demented stepchildren here in the back in comparison. I'm very excited for this video. I've been watching the Hamilton collection for quite some time, and they have one of the craziest car collections on YouTube. Now, I've actually never seen a Chiron outside of a dealership. I've never driven one. I've never even heard one start up in person, and the Hamilton collection has been kind enough to allow me to fly up to Chicago, see the warehouse with all the cars, and drive the one they just took delivery of, their most expensive car yet, which is the Bugatti Chiron SS. But first, I got to bring all this stuff to the post office. Good morning. Just the one.
Sorry, I'm all over here looking at your car. I drag race, so.
Oh, hell yeah. All right, have a good one. All right. So I just finished at the post office. I dropped off a bag with about 25-ish products. Those are going out to influencers and creators. It's a bunch of samples. For my supplement business, we've really been scaling that side of things, or partnering with all these creators and influencers to make content regularly. So yeah, just dropped those off, and now it's back to work.
Turn a loss to a lesson. I turn a curse to a gift and a blessing. Any girl that I've got an interest in, face interest.
All righty, we've made it here. We got Henry. What's up? We're gonna start out with the 765, a little bit of unplanned fun, so this is gonna be a good time. This thing is insane. Now they've got a tune and an exhaust, and I've never heard upshifts with a pop that loud. Even got the Rohana wheels, orange rivets. Everything just matches and flows so smoothly on this car. Slightly aggressive license plate, we like it, and carbon everything. All right, and now for a special treat, here's a startup. Not a cold start. Come on. Alrighty, and we're back in the warehouse. It is time to take out the Mac Daddy, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. And if you're familiar with Chiron and the platform, they have definitely extended the rear. I was surprised. It's about a foot longer, but you don't expect how much you're gonna notice that. I mean, this is an incredibly long vehicle. It makes the front look shorter too, but man, it works so well. One detail I hadn't noticed was on these front fenders, having these 9 little holes inside of each. Just such a small detail that is a very interesting one. I've never seen that on any vehicle. I mean, on the AMG Project 1 I saw in Dubai, it had active aero here. All right, we just pulled over after like 20 minutes of driving. What an incredible experience. It was defined to me, which I do agree with, that the car more so pushes you rather than pulls you. And I can understand that. There's a bit of a turbo lag, but when it starts to kick in, it pushes you super consistently throughout. On different cars, McLarens, you start going through the gears, even if you're on the throttle fully, you get a little fluctuation, how much power is being delivered. This just keeps climbing. It feels like it's just constantly going and wants to go, I don't know, to the end of the road. It's gonna kill you. So this thing is crazy. Such an incredible vehicle. Alrighty, and just like that, I am out of here. Time to catch another flight. All right, and I am back in Arizona. I had to run and catch a flight. I was only in Chicago for a couple of hours. I actually missed my flight. All the other flights were delayed and then canceled due to bad weather. I had to drive and rent a car from Chicago. I drove 6 hours through the night to make it in time for this wedding, but had to make it, not negotiable. It was a great time. Now, the experience driving these cars was crazy, and I actually surprised myself. I think I would take the 765 over the Chiron, which I never thought I would ever say. But I will say this, the Chiron is stupidly fast, but it's controlled. It doesn't seem like it wants to kill you, and it's quiet. Whereas the tune and exhaust out of the 765 is wild. Now, I wouldn't even compare the two. It's not like comparing two cars. It's in a totally different category. The craftsmanship and engineering behind the Bugatti is the most insane thing I've ever experienced in my entire life. But it was incredible, and big shout out to the guys up there. Henry had a great time. Everybody was super friendly. It was truly a blast to be able to go up there and do it. So, hey, quick reminder, make sure to enter the giveaway. All you gotta do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. If you want, just let me know which car you would take, the Bugatti or the 765. I think I know most people's answers, but let me know which one you'd pick. And I'm gonna announce the winner over on my Instagram. So I'm gonna fly one person out, we'll get to hang out, drive some cars, have a ton of fun, we'll make a day of it. But that winner is gonna get announced on my Instagram. So hope you enjoyed the video.